Oh no, man. I can use that? Oh, that. Oh,
yeah, that'll work.
I think that'll work.
It almost looks flat.
Yeah, it's pretty good, yeah.
That'll probably chuck up in a drill.
Maybe.
Just fine.
Yeah. First of all, what are we doing today? We didn't say anything.
Well, we weren't really gonna make a video, but
Yeah.
it kind of became a shit show. Basically, I was going to.
So first of all, we want to go to a drift event.
Oh yeah. It's Thursday, and on Saturday there's a drift event at Villains, which would be like the first shakedown of the car. So I really want to go, but there were a couple of things that I had to do, like replace the bolt on the oil pump because those shear off on the B234s. So I got a new one. I went to go replace it. In taking my timing belts off, turns out that the hole that the tensioner is bolted into was stripped. So now we're fixing that. Basically the hole is stripped, so we have to drill in pretty tight quarters. We have to drill that hole out, tap it for a thread insert, put a thread insert in there so I can put a bolt back in it essentially. And put everything back together and still replace my oil pump bolt. And then we'll be back in business.
We'll see. Just get out of my car.
Grab my shoes if that's silly. I don't know where all these shavings are gonna go.
Yeah.
Double check that that's. Oh, that's not the right hole. Jesus. Beautiful.
I think that's it.
I think that's it.
Wonderful.
I don't even have one of those like dual handle.
I'll get the horizontal eyeballs if you get the other alignment eyeballs. Just gonna. Let me see.
Yeah, it's definitely going. Different places today.
Here she is, boys. I see some threads in there. That's good. Yeah.
Promising.
The penny mod. Dude, why does that work pretty well? Looks like it works well.
See the pool of Loctite in the back? No, not quite.
She's looking good though.
Yeah. Torquing on the threaded insert.
Yeah. In aluminum. Hey. good to me. Oh, nice. It's like a half turn until top dead center too. So we'll just check. Sounds good.
Yeah. It sounds exactly like it
Doesn't
used
sound
to.
like timing's off.
Yeah. You can hear it like whistle.
Yeah, that sounds sick.
Sick.